Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Solo. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. So a drunk video of singer Kelly Khumalo is currently doing its round on social media. In the video, Kelly Khumalo has unleashed her Russian alter ego. Kelly is heard rumbling in a Russian broken English. Check out this video and please do not forget to subscribe. Here's the video.
Let me be the one to telling you. You know that Zakwe is very much problem. He giving me drink. I don't drink this morning. I feel like my entire head she's going to explosion. That's Zakwe's problem. I don't knowing how I going to get through the next 5 months. He giving me drink of testosterone. She knocking me blind, she finishing me. But it's not problem because we celebrating a hit before it hits. That is what happened to me last night, but it's not problem. My head, she's still spinning, I have work, I still drinking. It's no problem.